cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, it's the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today you're tuning into a makeup tutorial featuring Bfiercebeauty. My memory card is acting up, so I don't want to keep like rambling. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching, y'all. Alright y'all, so first things first, we're going to start off with brows. Now with brows, I'm going to go ahead and take my clear brow gel. I'm not going to really do the brows on camera because I always do the brows on camera, and I am going to give a updated eyebrow tutorial. However, I am going to put this clear brow gel on, and we're going to get into showing you what I use for my brows that you're going to see already done. So yeah, stay tuned. So when laminating your brows or using any kind of brow gel, I like to press it so that it can be flat. This is the 24-hour clear brow gel from Benefit, y'all. Looks just like this. And I've already applied it. So what you're gonna do is wait for it to dry and then go ahead and powder your brows. I like to powder my brows because I like a matte look. I don't like it to be shiny because that's what the brow gel is gonna do. And then plus, even if I don't apply brow gel, I still like to powder them so they can be matte. Okay, you don't want no oily brows because your skin gets oily, so you want to put powder right there. Anyway, y'all get the gist. I'm going to be back with my brows done, and we're going to get right into the look. I went ahead and I took my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'll powder my brows. Now, what I'm going to use on my brows when I come back, and they're going to already be done, is I'm going to take Also Brow Tiful. My Also Brow Tiful pomade is in the shade Espresso and Mochaccino, and I'm going to do my brows with these. I just like doing my brows with pomade now. I don't know, it just makes a difference. But I do have brow pencils, y'all, so go ahead and shop Bfiercebeauty, and I'm also going to be using my palette today. However, I want to use those pomades, so yeah, I'm gonna come back with the finished eyebrow look. Okay, y'all, so my brows are done. This is how they look. I always turn to the side to kind of, these are going more so down than up. Brows are done. One is going this way, the other one is going the other way, but that's okay. I'm about to put my base on, which is my Bfiercebeauty base in the shade Icy Zero, and we are going to start this eye look, y'all. I just put it on, but not dry all the way. What I'm saying is I like for it to dry to a semi matte, and then blend it out. I'm about to go into my Dazzle Teens palette. I want to grab black first. The first shade we're going to grab is black. Just pack this all on my lid, all the way into the inner part of my eyes. Make sure you tap the excess all too. My shadows are drying. Make sure you tap off the excess. All the way into the front with this. Do one eye as I go because of memory. This small. This is a Morphe 506 brush, and I'm just gonna take that, kind of blend out those edges. And so I blended that out. I'm gonna do the other side just the same way as I did this one, and I'm gonna come right back. I went in with Fiercely Black on both eyes, and now I'm about to take Sipping on Wine, and I'm gonna put this right on top of that black. So I just did this eye. I'm about to start adding black. Basically go back and forth with both of these colors until I get the blend desire that I want. You don't like that song? That blend, y'all. Look at that. Like, y'all, look at this blend, okay? Stop sleeping on my shadow palette. Okay, stop sleeping on it. That black blended on top of that burgundy. And I just showed y'all exactly how to blend it. Just take whatever your first color is, try to like smoke it out, the first color, and then blend on top of that. It's all gonna merge into each other. Take a brush, blend, 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 swirl that shadow in, just like you do any other shadow. Some shadows are hard to blend, some shadows are easy and buttery to blend, but my shadow is kind of dry, so just blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup wipes and I'm gonna cut my crease. See? Okay, y'all, so I was gonna do lime green, but I'm trying to see if I should do lime green with this because I do want to put other colors in here. So I'm just gonna do blank canvas base and then put the colors on the lid. Y'all, so I went ahead and cut my crease. So now it's time to put the colors on the lid, but y'all know with this I have to set it with translucent powder because if not it's going to crease. Alright, y'all, so I'm thinking about taking these colors. I don't know, it's just telling me to take these colors like it's gonna hit. So I'm gonna do yellow first, green, and then pink. I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX liner. I got this new liner. It's called Matte Vivid right here. And I'm gonna use this in line my eyes. We're gonna do a wing. So y'all, I'm thinking about adding rhinestones. This is so cute. That liner came out fire, and that was NYX. Y'all, it's super matte. Okay, so for facial, I'm going to go ahead and take my Pore Professional Primer from Benefit, and then also I'm going to go ahead and take my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrichment Face Base, y'all. This look is coming out so cute. I haven't incorporated rhinestones in such a long time, so I'm like, you know what, let me do that. So for face, just because I gotta move quickly, I want to go ahead and apply everything, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to blend everything out. All right, y'all, so my face is looking real snatched. Okay, Y'all, I did go ahead and take my Milani concealers. I haven't used these concealers in so long, like, and I'm missing out. So, like, now my favorite is the Milani ones, but my top favorites, I'm gonna do a video where I have my top favorite concealers, my top favorite foundations, like top 5, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, I got some good ones. But yeah, I did the face. Now I'm about to do my nose, and then I'm gonna come back so we can powder the face and everything. For powder, I'm going ahead and add Mercier translucent honey, and I'm trying my best to apply the lightest amount. Okay, I don't want to have my under eyes cakey. Alright, y'all, so I done powdered all the highlight areas. I'm going to take my Dior powder and I'm going to powder the areas that I did not set with highlights. So under here, on the forehead, basically like the areas that I bronze in, but right here where the foundation hits, I have to powder that in under the chin. Okay, for bronzer, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my Mocha Mami. And I need a bronzer like this. I need a bronzer like this, or like Juvia's Place bronzer. So for under eyes, I'm gonna take Limelight, y'all. I think blue, no, not blue, black and burgundy. I'm gonna just keep it simple. Wait a minute, my battery's low. Let me. Okay, now, so this is dang near the final look. If you haven't shopped Bfiercebeauty, what are you doing? Go shop now. Let's finish the rest of this face. So I'm gonna add this orangey shade right here on top of the contour area. Yes, allow. I'm just dusting this powder off. Get in. So for lip liner, I'm gonna go into my lip liner. Alright, y'all, so I added my lip liner. I'm going to be trying some new liquid lipstick. So these are the colors that the lightest one is this one. I want to put this one on because I just love a crackhead lip. And these are liquid lipstick. These are lip glosses. I think I'm going to... So I want to take my lip gloss in the shade... This is in the gloss Excuse My Nude, y'all. I'm not going to spray my face, y'all. I'm about to go change my outfit and I'm going to come right back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.